Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is assessment in social work. Introduction. An assessment in social work involves a set of steps designed to evaluate someone's need in order to match them with the best public support or the best social program services that can help them. As you can imagine, social worker assessment tools and techniques for evaluating individuals can vary according to the type of situation that is being assessed. A social worker will generally apply a different methodology when evaluating a child for potential educational deficits than they do with someone struggling with substance abuse. However, the goal with each type of social worker assessment is the same, which is to help someone reach their full potential and give them the support they need to work through their situation. The definition of social work assessment may vary slightly according to the type of assessment being done. There is an initial assessment social work practitioners will do for psychiatric needs, for safety needs, for immediate shelter, for family interventions, and many other situations. Though the situation and evaluation methods may differ, the social work assessment definition will always including trying to help the person with the resources available. So what is assessment? It's a vital first step in evaluating a person's situation so the right type of help can be rendered. An assessment in social work practice needs to be ready to gather data from a wide variety of areas of the person's life and immediate needs. The best types of assessment tools in social work will include the ability to capture all that information. Evaluation in social work is a detailed process because there is generally not one single factor that causes a crisis situation in someone's life. Often it's a combination of environmental, cultural, societal, and individual factors. Each of these factors has to be assessed and connected to a social worker can get a full picture of someone's potential strengths and challenges. The assessments in social work practice help in identifying the best plan to assist that person to overcome their current situation, resulting in a permanent positive social change. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.